Hello, David here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today I am on a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This is a brand new model for this year, replacing the previous SDX. Windshield's asymmetrical with a walk-through on the port side, storage underneath, large head compartment. This boat's in horizon gray color with stone interior. We have a power water sports tower above my head with speakers. We have sea deck throughout the boat, SIMRAD screen, trim tabs with indicators, the lighting package, the water package, the entertainment package. This boat is fully loaded and ready to go for the water. Also has a Mercruiser 350 with a Bravo 350 horsepower. Absolutely gorgeous boat. Last feature I'm going to point out as I back up here is going to be that submersible swim platform. Come on down to MarineMax and take a look at this beautiful boat. Thank you.